too. Make sure I'm elaborating myself correctly.
Yeah, do it.
Okay.
So this is my bro. He's gonna tell me about something. I don't remember what exactly. Just that right there, right?
Yes. And it takes a string. I mean, this is hard to explain. It's a list in string format that needs to be a functioning list in the actual code. So, what it does, right, is it counts and finds the, what is this, left bracket? Finds the left bracket, and then sees that a new list is starting. It will then count how many brackets it sees, and it will know when to stop. This is hard to explain. So, first thing it does is the list goes in, it removes the first and last bracket of the list, goes to the first, it goes each character in the string, it checks if it's a left bracket. If it is, it will count. It will see that there's not another left bracket, so it knows there's only one. So it will then stop when it sees one end bracket. It will then take this and go put it somewhere else for storage.
Nice.
This one's better.
That's what's over there.
It will then continue counting. It'll count 2 left brackets and know this, and it will know to stop at another 2 right brackets. It will then put that junk somewhere else.
Yeah.
And it will continue, like for example this one, it will count these 2 left brackets, sees that there's only 1 right bracket, so it will not stop, and it will continue until it sees another 2, and it knows that this whole thing is in this, and it will do that. And then, the best part is I used recursion,
Ooh,
big word, where the function uses itself inside the function.
Yeah.
So it will then do that exact same thing it just did to the things that it just threw off to deal with later. It will then do the exact same thing and continue to keep on doing it until there are no brackets left. It will then know that the list is fully converted from string list to actual list.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
And where's the recursion at in here?
Bam, right there. String
Nice.
to array uses string to array.
Ooh. And then what does it do? I think you said last time it like chunks it up into a bunch of trees or like a hierarchy.
Yeah, so that kind of just happens with the recursion. So if I would do a little doohickey, we got this one right here, and if there's another one inside there, like this. It will then do this one. So first of all, it's a whole big list. It'll get rid of this one, get rid of this one. Sees that this is something. Put this off into down here. There are no brackets left, so it would stop here.
Okay.
This one, it sees this one, and then this one. And it'll move this whole segment right here down to this right here.
Okay. And then it probably breaks that up again then afterwards?
Yeah, and then it does the exact same thing that it just did up here. So see this, bring this down, see this, bring this down. So then we would only have A, B, C's left. But the cool thing is, since this just happens a little nicely, the recursion itself makes it so the lists stay as in lists. So instead of having an array where we just have these 3 things, a list of these 3 things, we will have lists inside lists, because this segment right here will still be inside the list that was in here.
Nice. And then once again, so what's your program doing? Like, why is it doing that? Why is it breaking up those coordinates?
Minecraft robot plays the game for me because I'm too lazy to play Minecraft. So I made a robot to play it for me. And what it does is it finds all the locations for ores and stuff. And then saves that inside a text file. There is no text right now, it's blank, but there will be filled with information in a bit. When it puts that list inside the text file and then takes it back out, it's not a functioning list anymore. It's just a string of a list. So I have to convert it back to a functioning list so that the digging bot can find where the ores are and then go get the ores.
Nice. Well, and so what were the coordinates represent? Maybe you said it and maybe I missed it.
The coordinates represent the locations of the ores. So
okay.
we'll know exactly where
like
to
the
go.
3D coordinates probably, and then
in the actual game.
Did it represent anything else like color or something, or because there was a lot of you had more than just three.
Yeah,
three sets of numbers.
The first thing is the coordinates of the chunk that it is finding the ores in.
Yeah.
It then has in color order. It goes like in the rainbow. There's red, orange, yellow. They all represent different ores.
Yeah,
like, copper, gold, stuff like that. And basically, it has the coordinates of the chunk and the coordinates of each block type. So the gold coordinates, the copper coordinates, the iron coordinates, and then so on.
Yeah.
So it knows.
Nice job, dude.
Yes, thank you.
Oh, what language did you use?